Hello, hello. Let's look at our cards today. Until he extends his circle of compassion to all living things, man will not himself find peace. Action. You never know what people are going through behind closed doors. Your compassion can make the biggest difference in other people's lives. Reflections. What parts of yourself are you too afraid to express and share? Identify and remove toxic people around you. Today, I'll notice all the little ways I'm loved, nurtured, and supported. Go ahead, universe. That's your cue. Zen. You only die once, so you should live every day. Snoop Dogg. Imagine it is the last time you're doing every action you take today. The last smile, the last walk, the last thought. Enjoy it all. Everyone lives two lives. The second starts when you realize you only live one. What does your second life have in store? There is only one of you, and that is your strength and your gift to this world. To be unique, honor your gift by listening to your heart, following your passion, and trusting your inner voice. All right, and the animal spirit today? Heron. Patience. Create a place in nature's stillness and be renewed. Take time alone to find balance. Step confidently towards your purpose. Patience will bring you rewards. Alrighty, let's see our quotes today. Turn this thought into a loving thought. Turn a loving thought into a loving action. Turn a loving action into a loving relationship. Turn a loving relationship into a loving community. Turn a loving community into a loving world. Fear is loud. Love is quiet. When you're deciding what to listen to, notice which one is speaking. Jonathan Storm. I deserve to show up for myself and set boundaries. I deserve to take up space and voice things that matter to me. You don't have to try to have it all. You can focus on what matters most to you. Love yourself through the slow and boring stages of transformation. People are energy fields. Be mindful of the energy fields you enter into. Yes, yes. I don't want to just get through the day. I want to fully experience the day. And the last one today. Self-care over self-neglect. Nurturing real life over online life. Self-compassion over self-judgment. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.